Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Volkswagen Jetta full guide. Begin by checking the key fob battery and trying a spare key before moving to mechanical checks. Inspect door handles, locks, and interior lock buttons to isolate the problem. If the fob is dead, follow fob reprogram steps or use manual key entry. Keep door pins and latches clean and lubricated to prevent future issues and avoid costly repairs. Start by confirming the fob battery and signal with a simple test to separate battery failure from deeper faults. Remove the battery and inspect for corrosion, then install a fresh CR2032 cell and test range. If the fob still fails, follow the vehicle-specific reprogramming sequence step by step or use a diagnostic tool. Keep a spare fob for emergencies and avoid remote reliance in critical situations. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with car ownership tips by helping you prioritize spending and saving wisely. Consider it a friendly nudge towards smarter decisions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When electronics fail, rely on the mechanical key hidden inside the fob to open the door safely. Locate and remove the cover on the driver handle, insert the key into the cylinder, and turn with steady pressure. If the cylinder resists, avoid forcing it and inspect for ice or grime. Warming or lubricating the lock can help. After entry, address the root cause so you are not left stranded again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.